What if you could get the same benefits as Ozempic without ever picking up a needle? Oral GLP-1 medications are entering the market and they could change everything about how we treat obesity. Hey everyone, welcome back to Real Talk Nutrition. Today we're talking about something I get asked about constantly. What is actually coming next in GLP-1 medications? Because if you've been following this space at all, you know the innovation is moving incredibly fast. And one of the biggest developments is the push to get these medications in pill form. Right now, most of the GLP-1 medications we're familiar with, Ozempic, Wegovy, Mounjaro, and Zepbound, are injections, weekly shots. And for a lot of people, that's been a barrier. Whether it's needle anxiety, the inconvenience, storage requirements, or just the fact that a weekly injection feels like a bigger commitment, an oral option would genuinely change the game. So here's where we are. There is already one oral GLP-1 on the market, oral semaglutide, sold under the brand name Rybelsus. It's been available for type 2 diabetes management for a few years now. The challenge has been that it requires a very specific administration protocol. You have to take it on an empty stomach with a small amount of water and wait 30 minutes before eating or taking another medication. That's not exactly convenient, but the pipeline is getting interesting. Pharmaceutical companies are working on next generation oral GLP-1 formulations that are more bioavailable, meaning that the body absorbs more of the drug, making it more effective at lower doses. There are also combination drugs being developed, GLP-1 paired with other hormone targets that could produce even stronger effects on weight and metabolic health. From a cost standpoint, oral formulations could potentially be less expensive to manufacture and distribute than injectables, which matters enormously for accessibility. That said, we don't yet know what the pricing landscape will actually look like when these hit the market at scale. Here's the honest dietitian take. Oral GLP-1s are promising, but they're not a magic upgrade over injections. The injectable versions still have stronger efficacy data right now. If you're doing well on an injectable GLP-1, this news is interesting, but it's not a reason to switch just yet. If you've been hesitating to try GLP-1 therapy because of the injection, this is absolutely worth discussing with your doctor. The bottom line, the landscape is evolving fast. Staying informed means you can advocate for yourself in the doctor's office and ask the right questions. Before I go, if you want ongoing support from a community that actually gets it, come join my free Facebook group, Bariatric and GLP-1 Support by Real Talk Nutrition. If you want to go deeper, you can join my monthly group coaching membership called the Real Talk Continuum. This is where we do the real work together. The details are below. If this video was helpful, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you never miss an episode. I'll see you next time.